There's times where you might run into breaking a thread or just need to get back and restitch an area. Keep in mind, with an embroidery machine, you can have complete control of every stitch. So if you just need to go back a couple stitches, you're going to look right here and you can come back a couple stitches at a time. You can also go forward. The longer you hold the button, the more stitches it will jump to that area. You can see now it's jumping every 10 stitches and it'll go faster and faster. So if you really need to back up quite a bit, that is one way to do it. Now if you're in the middle of some stitches, maybe you're on stitch number 200 and you need to get back to the beginning, let me show you a trick. You could actually get back to the beginning of that color. If you actually go back a color, go back to the previous color, in this case color 3 of 4, and then go forward again, color 4 of 4. Notice you're at the first stitch because this is what counts down. It's counting down to the last 500 stitches that you see here, 499. But that's one way to kind of go quickly. You can kind of jump it back by using the color choices, because we can go back and go, you know what, maybe I want a different color there, or maybe you want to skip a whole section. So if you just wanted the leaves, for example, that stitched out at color 3, so we could just go to color 3, stitch just that area, and skip the whole little flower that we're stitching. We're stitching design number 9 here, and I just wanted to stop and show you that you can move through a design really simple. Now we're about ready to stitch back at the beginning of color 4, so I'm going to go ahead and plus to color 4, and I'll just overlap. I started stitching it, but there are times where I'll just overlap a few stitches. Nobody ever sees it. It's very minimally heavier than the rest of the design. Honestly, I usually cannot tell where I've stitched over an area. But for today, I'm going to just start one more time right at the top there, and I'll just start over the top of what I've already stitched. We'll stop. We'll trim that thread. Make sure you don't trim the wrong thread. That's always a little danger there. All right, touch OK, lower the presser foot, touch OK, push the start button.